building a personal brand for introverts. So, welcome to my channel. You're watching ACIERO in Amsterdam, and if you're here to find out on how to build your brand as an introvert. Maybe you're like me, very shy, you don't speak to people before they speak to you, you don't want to network, or you don't know where even to start networking. You're not someone who is really outgoing. You're very, 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 very silent, and you enjoy being by yourself or working alone. So how do you get your business out there? You're an introvert, you have this business, and you want everyone to know about it. And how do you do that on social media? Because most of the time when you're an introvert, you're not so comfortable with exposing yourself on camera, or or talking to people, you know what I mean. So all the other classic ways where you can actually close clients and talk to them, network with them, tell them about your business, you really struggle with these things. But I'm here to help you. So for all of you introverts, it's party time. So this is how we do it as introverts. One of the things I've discovered as an introvert myself, as I'm classified, when I record my videos, I'm all by myself. So I think about the camera as being my best friend. So I don't feel threatened when I record a video. The only thing maybe that may threaten me, I'm like, maybe what are people going to think? But the first thing you should understand, don't give a damn about anyone thinks about you or what you're saying. As long as you're adding value to your customers or to your audience, don't worry about what other people may say or think. Another thing you should also understand, if you can't network, you're just uncomfortable with this, just write written content. Like if you share written content to platforms like LinkedIn, social media, to your audience, if you're adding value, they will follow you and they will help you spread the word of your business, and that's how you do it. And the other thing you should understand as an introvert is make good content, because you're not good at mouthing off. So the only thing you can do is you can just put it on a piece of paper and let it shine. Just shine in your words, shine in your work. Make sure that your work doesn't have mistakes, because you have a lot of competitors who, extroverts, and they're free, they can do everything they want, but you have some limitations. So make sure that you try to shine. So other thing you should understand as an introvert, branding is all about trust and loyalty. So people have to first understand what you're all about before even they convert. Yeah, you have to add value to your clients or prospects. If you don't add value, there will be no reason for anyone to follow you. Add value, create trust, and then people will be loyal, and then sales will come. When people trust you, they will buy from you. You can sell them stuff that, if they trust you and understand, and if you're adding value. Because think about yourself, if you want to buy something from anyone, what do you think about first? Do you need what you're buying? Yeah, you first think about, now, do I need it? What problem is it going to solve? Yeah, make sure you're also solving a problem. Other thing you're going to think about, what do I benefit by doing this or that? You have to add value, and also make sure that your prospects are happy with what you're doing, and be engage with your audience online. Try to market your content. Content marketing is very, 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 very powerful, because we have relied on organic reach, but organic reach is not enough if you want to build an audience, especially when you're an introvert. No one has heard from you, no one has heard about your business. You have to try and do content marketing. And first of all, think about a content strategy, and then content marketing. So for you introverts there, I hope I've helped you with the tips and tricks. And don't forget to create that content. Make your camera your best friend, and don't be scared going on camera and making videos, or write beautiful content to add value to your audience. And know that branding is reputation. If your reputation is good, people will understand you, and if you're adding value, people will love you for it. Adding value, creating trust, and being loyal, and then sales will come. So don't forget about the 3 things. So I hope you use these tips and tricks for your business and grow and become successful like all other big businesses or small businesses owners. So I hope these tips will add value to you. And if you're new here, thanks for watching. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for the support. And consider subscribing, comment, like on this video, and see you next week. Bye.